Alright, so this is now our activity of 4 bulbs. Alright, so this is now our activity of the 4 bulbs controlled by one single pole switch. So we have bulb A, B, C, and D, and of course the control device, and one circuit breaker for us to protect the circuit from any you have to protect the circuit. A circuit breaker used to protect the circuit from any overcurrent occurs during the activity or performance. Alright? Now, so the first cycle you have to do, for us to, in order for us to connect the 4 bulbs with the, now first thing to do here is to perform the 3 cycles of the current flow of the circuit. And the first cycle is actually coming from the source of the circuit. So this is now the one of the line coming from the source is connected to the loads of the circuit. So since we have 4 loads of the circuit, so we have to start from bulb A. We're going to connect bulb A, bulb B, this one, bulb C, this one, bulb D. So this is the connections of the first cycle flow of the circuit. The first cycle, or the first cycle of the current flow in the circuit. So this is it. Now for the second cycle you're going to perform is to connect the wires coming from the load of the circuit. Now since we have 4 loads of the circuit, all you have to do is to connect all the loads of the circuit from bulb A, bulb B, bulb C, and the bulb D going to the one of the lines coming from the control device, and that is to execute for the second cycle. And for the third and the last cycle is coming from the control device going back to the source line, this one, in order to complete the circuit. Then lastly, you are going to energize the circuit using the circuit breaker. Switch off, switch on, switch off, switch on, breaker off, switch on, switch off, breaker off. That's it.